In this video, I'm going to talk to you about this Cooler Master PC case that I've picked up for the second time, actually, for my second build. It's a great case that comes with a tempered glass side panel and comes with great I/O. It's just very easy to build with, has great airflow in my opinion, with the right fans obviously installed. And here's my old PC build, or previous PC build. Basically, it's very easy to get into, even for a first time build, or if it's your second time or third time, whatever it is. I think it's just very fun to build in. It's very, you don't get lots of headaches. It's just easy. You can get it quickly, get in and out. It comes with great instructions and comes with all the things that you need to build the case, which is great as well. And there's lots of room just for you to kind of, easily maneuver yourself and put your motherboard in. And you can see my motherboard inserted right there with my PSU. Overall, cable management is also great. There's lots of room for you to, manage it the way you like and put your cables on the side. Overall, I think it's just a great case, and it's a great budget case as well. So if you're in the market for a new case or just searching around, I would recommend this case for sure.